Are you considering an electric bike for your daily commute or leisurely rides? With the growing popularity of e-bikes, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. From sleek city cruisers to rugged mountain models, the options are endless. In this video, we'll explore the best electric bikes on the market, highlighting their unique features, benefits, and what to look for when making your purchase. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a beginner, we've got you covered on your journey to finding the perfect e-bike. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Jasion EB5 electric bike. If you're seeking a reliable electric bike for your daily commutes or leisurely rides, the Jasion EB5 may be the perfect fit for you. Designed with adults in mind, this bike features a powerful 350 watts motor that can peak at 500 watts, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour with ease. Equipped with a user-friendly LCD display, the EB5 keeps you informed with essential riding data, including your speed, distance traveled, and customizable pedal assist modes, up to 3 levels to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer a boost while pedaling or want to ride purely on electric power, the 4 distinct riding modes cater to your needs. The 360 watt-hour removable battery provides an impressive range of 25 to 40 miles on a single charge, making it convenient for both short trips and longer journeys. The battery's removable design further allows you to charge it whether you're at home or in the office. Your comfort and safety are prioritized with the EB5's 26-inch puncture-resistant tires, high-strength front fork suspension, and dual hydraulic disc brakes. Weighing in at just 49.6 pounds and showcasing a minimalist design, this bike blends style with practicality. The triangular high-carbon steel frame not only ensures stability, but also enhances your riding experience across various terrains. With the Jasion EB5, you're not just riding, you're embracing a more efficient and enjoyable way to travel. At number 4, Clife Racer electric bike. If you're looking for an electric bike that offers exceptional versatility and performance, the Clife Racer electric bike is designed for you. With its 21-speed gear set, this bike can easily adapt to any terrain, allowing you to tackle everything from urban commuting to hilly adventures with confidence. Weighing in at 48.1 pounds, this stylish and youthful commuter e-bike features a powerful 1200 watts brushless motor, enabling speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. You have the choice of 4 riding modes: manual, pedal-assisted, pure electric, and a convenient walking assist mode. This flexibility makes it easy to navigate various landscapes, whether you're traversing bustling city streets or enjoying a scenic ride in the countryside. The Clife Racer is equipped with a user-friendly LCD display that keeps you informed about your speed, battery life, and assistance level. Safety is also a priority. The bike comes with excellent dual front suspension, front lights, and a rear reflective sheet to ensure a comfortable and secure ride, even during low-light conditions. Included with the bike are essential components such as a tools kit, battery key, charger, user manual, headlight, and rear reflector. This ensures you're fully equipped to hit the road and enjoy your rides right away. Embrace the freedom and adventure that comes with the Clife Racer electric bike and elevate your cycling experience today. Number 3, we have the Jasion EB7 electric bike. If you're seeking an efficient and versatile mode of transportation, the Jasion EB7 electric bike is an excellent choice for adults. With its powerful 750 watts brushless motor, peaking at 1200 watts, you can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour and tackle hills with a 25-degree incline effortlessly. The 48-volt 10 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery provides an impressive range of 22 to 55 miles per charge, and its removable design simplifies the charging process, making it convenient for your busy lifestyle. Designed for comfort, the EB7 features dual suspensions, an 80mm travel front fork, and a rear seat suspension that absorb bumps and provide a smooth ride. Coupled with 20 by 3 inches fat tires that offer excellent grip and shock absorption, this bike ensures a stable experience on various terrains. Portability is another highlight. The EB7 easily folds down to a compact size of 36 by 21 by 29 inches, weighing just 59 pounds. This makes it simple to store in your car trunk or take on public transportation. Safety is paramount with reliable front and rear mechanical disc brakes ensuring confident stops. The bright headlight and adjustable rear light enhance visibility during night rides. An intuitive LCD display keeps you informed of speed, battery charge, and distance traveled, while the 7-speed system allows you to tailor your ride to your preferences. With the Jasion EB7, you're equipped for a comfortable, safe, and enjoyable journey. At number 2, Ridstar Electric Dirt Bike. If you're seeking an exhilarating way to enhance your daily commutes or tackle outdoor adventures, the Ridstar Electric Dirt Bike is your answer. Designed for adults, this versatile bike excels in various terrains, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring mountain trails. It boasts a powerful 1500 watts high-speed motor that allows you to reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, ensuring a thrilling ride whenever you need it. Equipped with a removable 48-volt 20-ampere-hour battery, charging is convenient, taking only 6 to 8 hours to replenish, so you can get back on the road or trail in no time. The bike offers 3 distinctive riding modes: pure electric, electric assist, and pedal, making it adaptable to your mood and energy levels. In pure electric mode, you can travel between 50 to 75 miles, depending on your weight and road conditions, empowering you to explore further. Safety and comfort are also paramount in its design. The bike features a digital display for easy monitoring, a sturdy dual suspension system for a smooth ride, and essential elements like a headlight and taillight for visibility during night rides. With its unique style and robust construction, you won't just be riding, you'll be making a statement. So gear up for a new ride that combines style, speed, and sustainability. Join the Ridstar community today and elevate your cycling experience. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Tudio Soleil 01 Electric Dirt Bike. If you're seeking an exhilarating ride for your young adventurer, the Tudio Soleil 01 Electric Dirt Bike stands out as a premier choice. Engineered for youth, this electric dirt bike combines power and safety, providing an unforgettable experience on challenging terrains. With a robust 2,000 watts brushless motor, you can confidently soar up to speeds of 34 miles per hour, delivering breathtaking acceleration and the thrill of off-road exploration. Equipped with a long-lasting 48-volt, 21-ampere-hour lithium battery, this bike ensures your child can revel in extended rides, offering an impressive range of up to 43 miles. With 31% more capacity than other models, you won't have to worry about frequent recharges. It fully charges within 6 to 7 hours, making it convenient for weekend adventures or spontaneous outings. Safety is paramount with the Tudio Soleil 01. The advanced front hydraulic fork suspension and an independent rear shock absorber work together to absorb shocks and bumps, providing a smooth ride. Hydraulic brakes deliver responsive stopping power, ensuring your child's safety as they navigate trails and terrain. Crafted from durable aluminum and designed with dual suspension, this bike not only supports a comfortable ride but also withstands rigorous use. With thoughtful features like a toolkit included, the Tudio Soleil 01 electric dirt bike is ready to take on any adventure your young rider dreams of. Embrace the thrill of exploration and let your child discover the great outdoors with this powerful dirt bike. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which electric bike you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.